Greetings, fellow heroes! Here's how you can buy and sell artifacts in Heroes of Might and Magic, Olden Era. As you play the game, you'll find these items scattered across the map that can be equipped by your heroes. They offer a wide range of stats and bonuses, though most of them are guarded by enemies. If you find it troublesome to defeat a strong army just to get an item, you can always choose to buy artifacts instead, or sell any extra ones you're hoarding in your inventory. To do this, select your preferred city and hover your mouse over the pouch icon labelled Exchange Artifacts. If it's greyed out, then you'll need to build an artifact merchant first, which can only be unlocked after constructing a marketplace. Once you've built an artifact merchant in your city, the Exchange Artifacts option will become available. Place your hero inside that city, since you won't be able to exchange artifacts unless they're in the same city where the merchant was built. Once your hero is in place, click the pouch icon to open the exchange window. On the left side are the resources you currently have available for trading, while the artifacts available for purchase are displayed on the right. Each artifact offers different stats and bonuses, but they can be expensive, so choose carefully, as they may help turn the tide of battle. Simply select the resource you want to trade on the left, choose your desired artifact, and if you've got the required amount of resources, click the exchange button to finalize the transaction. The artifact will automatically be added to your hero's inventory. If you want to sell any of your hero's artifacts and you're wondering why the left window is empty, make sure the artifacts are not currently equipped by your hero first. Drag them into your hero's backpack, then return to the exchange menu. After that, the artifacts will appear in the left window, allowing you to sell them for any resources you may need. This is especially useful if you have a lot of extra artifacts that you don't plan on using. Once again, if you've made up your mind, press the exchange button to confirm the transaction, and that's basically all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more game guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.